Hello, this is Mr. Hassel again with another music theory lesson. Today we are on lesson 40 of unit 10. Now in our last lesson we talked about 16th notes. Today we're going to talk about 16th rest. If you remember, this is what an 8th rest looks like. To make it a 16th rest, you would add one more flag on it. See how there's two flags on that 16th rest? In 4/4 time, two 16th rests are equal to the duration of one 8th rest. So it would take two 16th rests to equal one 8th rest. Four 16th rests would equal the duration of one quarter rest. So here's four 16th rests, and those would be equal to one quarter rest. In 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time, a 16th rest is equal to one quarter of a count. Okay, down here we're going to draw six 16th rests. All right, number one. It says, write the counts under the following example, and then we'll clap the rhythm. So this first measure is done for us. So this would be 1 and 2E and a 3 and 4. Remember, on 16th notes, whatever beat it's on, you would count 1E and a or 2E and a, whatever count it's on. So let's go ahead and go to the second measure. So this would be 1 and 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4. 1 E and rest. 2 E and rest. 3, 4. All right, let's clap this rhythm together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 E and a 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 E and 4 and 1 E and 2 E and 3, 4. Number 2, it says fill in the correct number. What it's asking is how many 16th rests would it take to equal a quarter rest? And we know that that answer is 4. B, how many 16th rests would it take to equal a half rest? That number would be 8. How many 16th rests would equal 1/8 rest? That is 2. And how many 16th rests would be equal to a whole rest? And we assume that that's in 4/4 time, so that answer would be 16. Number 3, change these 8th notes to 16th notes, then add 16th rests between them. So to convert these to 16th notes, we're going to have to add a flag to each one of these 8th notes. And then put 16th rests between them. Number 4, write the counts under the notes below the staff. So they've got the first measure done for us. We're in 2/4 time, so this is 1 E and a 2 and 1 and 2 E and a 1, 2 and a 3 E 3 E and 4. Okay, let's clap that rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 E and a 2, 1 and 2 E and a 1, 2 and a 3 E and 4. Good job. Number 5, complete the measures below with the appropriate rest. Write the counts under the notes and then clap the rhythm. So we're in 4/4 time. In this first measure we have 3 counts. So the one rest that we would put there would be a quarter rest. Next measure, we have 1, 2, 3.5 counts. So we would put an 8th rest. This measure, we would put a 16th rest here, and a 16th rest here. And then this last measure, we would put a whole rest. Remember, the whole rest hangs down from the 4th line, and you center it in the staff. So let's clap this rhythm together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, this concludes our lesson for the day. Thank you for watching.